All right, like I said, it is going to be absolutely busy. And we're also going to look at Tiffany. Tiffany, for those of you that don't know, there was a buyout bid by LVMH over the weekend. Stock's up about 30 bucks. Could be some active trading there this morning. So that is on my watch list here. Okay, and we'll be watching spot obviously very closely. Now with this strangle swap, right, we have a calendar call spread, a calendar put spread. The calendar put spread obviously is going to be irrelevant with this move. The move is right to our short strike on the call side, which is perfect. So we'll see what volatility is doing. But it's sitting right in a very, very nice spot. All right, let's get a market for everybody that's still long the 143 call in Microsoft. Okay, you can see it's all over the place here, pretty wide market. Let's get this thing settled in. I don't think we're going to exit spot yet, Rob, but when we do, it would be just on the call side. All right, so let me get this out here.